For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and it's time for your daily dose of the doctor. Let's take a look at two trades we did live in the room today. This first one is from the NASDAQ Scalper Trading Plan. This is Apple. As you know, it's an apple a day with me. I love the Apple scalps. If you were watching the market before the market opens, so if you're watching the pre-market, you saw Apple trading around $125.80 a share. What that did for you was lined you up with the trading plan. You look at the plan, 125.71 is the first level that we're looking to short. So we pop an order out there, bracket it up, 125.71 down to 125.51 is going to be the opening scalp that we're looking for on Apple. And let's see how it played out. Here we have the chart of Apple Incorporated. We see that the price of the open was right at that 125.80 level. Then the stock shot up. We had no way of anticipating that this was going to happen, but it didn't matter. Our order was still right down here waiting for the market to come back in again. We're going to provide liquidity and get a liquidity rebate on this trade, as well as getting an entry that gets us right in at 125.71. Look at this, down to 125.51. Depending on which software you're using, you can set it up to start trailing a stop there if you want and get a little bit of this move down into here. But if you didn't get the move down into the range, don't worry, 125.51, that is a perfectly legitimate exit right by the plan. Then you get this reversal move. If you want to do the inverted check mark entry, you get this move up, hits the pivot. If you are a boot camp graduate, you're looking for that pivot move to reverse, right? So you've got a resting order right underneath here, and you are going to look for this extension move back to the downside. If you're just looking for the inverted check mark, if you've just been watching the scalper videos online, then you know what to do here as well. 125.51, the reversal back down through that line, catches the move down to 125.26. All in all, beautiful trade. Exactly by the rules in the plan. Lots of other opportunities here over the course of the session. You see it's just swinging through those levels. And if you are a scalper follower, then this is the kind of day you love to be trading something like Apple. Let's look at the other trade that happened today. This was a Baltimore chop setup. This is the 2 standard deviation opening setup. Everybody loves those trades. This one was in BBBY. Now, the thing you've got to be careful about is that you get those symbols into your software correctly. We did have somebody in the room today who typed in BBY, and that, of course, is Best Buy, not Bed Bath & Beyond. So that's just always a tricky one with this particular stock. That happens frequently. I only say it because I want to make sure that everybody realizes that and is on the lookout, because this one does tend to gap quite frequently, as does Best Buy. So just be careful about the symbol that you're putting in when you place the trade. But here we see we had an opening gap lower, 2 standard deviations on the opening, and then we had this move down lower, and we have another lower high, and we have another lower high, and 73.91 is all she wrote on that as far as the pullback goes. Any move above that would give us an entry. Here is the entry. Here's the logical stop right down here, $73.68. That captures this low, and gives us a very, very good reward to risk ratio on this one, because our target, $75 right at that open. Some of you went for 75.16, the high of the opening bar. You know, again, I'm going to say I don't try to squeeze every extra penny out of these. I understand if you were looking for this pivot line right up here around 75.50, that's a nice big move. But, you know, you had to endure this big swing to the downside here, and there does tend to be volatility on these trades. So sometimes it's best just to go for the easy entry and the easy exit. But this one, once again, put up a nice number for the day, and that is what we're looking for. Now, as you guys know, I don't really talk about the trading services or the trading plans or all that too much in these videos. These videos are really all about providing some free education, some good education. But there is a special offer that's available, so I'm going to tell you about it. You can click on the little box that pops up here on the link and take advantage of this as well. Special offer is $7 for 14 days. It gives you just about everything we do. You get 14 days of access to the trading plan. That's the around the horn trading plan. That, of course, is my core set of trades. That's what I'm looking at every day. That's what all the spreadsheets that show the results are from. That booked 96 straight months of profits. We had one losing month since 2006. We have also got 14 days of access to the first hour trading plan. That's the scalper trading plan. We've got 14 days of access to some special bonus video training that I did, Stock Trading 101, Stock Trading 201, and 14 days of access to the live first-hour trading pit. We're doing this because a lot of you have been asking about whether or not you can try some of the services, and we just figured, you know what, we're going to give you access to everything that I do. If it's my style of trading you're interested in, here's a chance, little open house for you to go and have a visit and see exactly what all these different things look like, what the mechanics are of getting into and out of every one of the positions, figure out if it's for you, and make an informed decision about whether or not it's something you might want to be a part of. Go ahead and click on the link, $7 for 14 days, and we look forward to seeing you in the war room. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. I hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for Friday. The best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.